Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create desktop shortcut in Windows 11. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to click on this search icon and then you need to click any program. I'm going to search Adobe Photoshop. That the shortcut I'm going to make. Then you need to click this drop down and open file location. You can see that Adobe Photoshop. Then you need to simply click the right mouse cursor and then you need to click on copy and simply come onto the desktop and then you need to click on paste. So you can see that Adobe Photoshop shortcut is already created. So there is another method I'm going to share with you. So first I need to delete this. You need to simply click the right mouse cursor and then you need to click on new, and here is the option of shortcut. Click on that and then you need to click on browse. I'm going to make Adobe Photoshop. First you need to go into the window, then program files, here in Adobe Photoshop. Then you need to select Adobe Photoshop here and wait a second, this one. Then you need to click on OK and then you need to click on next. This is the name of your shortcut. Then you need to click on finish. So you can see that Adobe Photoshop shortcut is created on the desktop. So by following these steps you can easily create any application shortcut in Windows 11 for the desktop. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.